Struggling with prop firms? Let's go.
The importance of knowing where to enter from, is going to be so important for your trading. Now, Nasdaq here has been bearish pretty much the whole day since after like UK time, 2 p.m. It absolutely just crashed, tanking down. I think I've even had one of the students in the Discord community even mention this, that is absolutely, unfortunately wasn't able to get in, but we've had a nice, now where you could have got in from here, got obviously some position in the past few days. I'm just going to go over what basically happened today, and I'm starting making again more of these videos where you could have gotten in the present day. So the moment that you would have got, basically you would have gotten from here, let's mark out here. So price made a low. The moment price, so at this point here, price is making new lows, right? Lower highs, new low, lower high, but then the pattern breaks over here. It's supposed to make a new low and push further down, right? Continue pushing further down. Where it starts doing, look at this. It's no longer a new low. It still is a low, but now we've got a bit of a battle going on, right? So we've got no new high, and we've got no new low. So what do? In these kind of moments, you sit on your hands, right? Basically. Now what happens afterwards? Price makes pretty much breaks all this structure over here. Now we reach a crucial area over here, a previous resistance. We don't make a new high, but we test this new resistance here. So at this moment of time, price is, you just be waiting, right? You'll be waiting down here for new low, or you'll be waiting when price starts coming up with huge bullish momentum and you think, okay, price is going to make new highs, then it creates a resistance respecting this. Now some might say, well, if it even breaks it by, trust me, it's not a new high though, right? Even though it might look super close, it's still not a new high. Price eventually starts coming back down. Now this eventually creates a let me just quickly draw this out, a inverted head and shoulder pattern, but in this case scenario it fails. So let me just make it like this. Okay, now you can see an inverted normally, which is a reversal pattern for price to continue going bullish, or when a trend is bearish, then it shifts and it starts going bullish. Anyone taking buys obviously would have got taken out from all this dump here, right? Price just tanks here, and then what happens is you're going to have some now we've got obviously areas of rejections as well, right? Price where it maintains support levels, resistance levels. Now where you could have got in from is, in my eyes, is two areas. One is this one here, and the number two is this one over here, and number three is this one. Now what I want to do actually is I want to change the color of this one. I'll color it yellow. Not this one, sorry. Let me just go back. It's this one actually. So I want to just click on this one. Let's go to yellow. Now between these three, right? This one's blue, this one's blue, this one's yellow. Why do I not like this one? Any guesses? I'll just go ahead and say it, right? It's not a fresh zone. This zone that's created over here, this breakout was testing a fresh zone. This on the way down, it does come down, but it does not test a fresh zone. Excuse me. But in this case, it still works, right? This is just a low probability sell. Over here, when it breaks through with a lot of volume, this breaks the fresh zone, and this obviously was the start of the huge push towards the downside. Now how you could have entered this, obviously got our zones marked out. Again, wick rejections on the downside, doesn't really matter. We are focused on wicks rejections from the top side, right? Which lets us know sellers are in control. By the way, if you're looking for a one-to-one mentorship from myself where I show you my exact edge passing profit challenges literally in 1-2 days, you can see here, link will be in the video description. Even got the 99 super affordable course, even the one mentorship made it super affordable as well. It's everything is in here. So student left a testimonial, great testimonial today even. It's all about transparency. Check it out. If you want to fast track your trading, message me in the one-to-one in the Discord. If you've been trading for a long time, you know, and you're not finding any success at all, you want to leave that 9 to 5, message me. I will just basically simplify trading for you, and give you a real edge that even if you're in a little bit of drawdown, you know, one trade will just catapult you into profit. Anyways, so it's all about giving back at, you know, at the same time. So anyways, now we got price obviously creating these multiple wick rejections. So now what you can do is obviously on the 5-minute time frame, look at this. We've got bearish candles. All these are bearish candles. That's what we want to see, right? We have this bullish candle over here, but then a huge wick close at the top. What that lets me know, if I turn this indicator on, let's put this on the playback. Look at the strength of this bullish candle. This one here, 37%, a very, very weak bullish candle. Not only that, it's created but below the zone. It has no value in my eyes. If this bullish candle was created above the support level, it has some value, but still it would have been still a very weak bullish candle. But the fact that it's below resistance, or well, broken through support now, which is now a resistance, and we've got these multiple wick rejections, take a sell. Take a sell. You can put your stop loss above the wicks highs, obviously above the zone as well. Very, very important. And then it gives you a nice 1 to 5. 1 to 5 literally within how much time? 40 minutes. If that's a 100k account, that's 5k. You know, 200k account, that's 10k. Or even if it's a 50k account, if you're risking 1%, it's a 2.5k. Nice amount of money. So we'll go back to the 1 hour time frame. Now this is how you could have capitalized on this push. Now people, where they go wrong, they want to take 20 positions in a day. 20 positions in a week is still a lot in my eyes, but if you want to take 20 positions in a day, something's wrong with you and you are just setting yourself up for disaster. What you ideally want to do is maximum 2-3 positions in a day. See something that's trending, see something that suits this, you know, complements the strategy. I'll give you an example. Let me just delete this one so we can see more clearly. Price is on the way down, new lows, right? Lower high. Price breaks through this. Remember what I said earlier? New low. Price fails to break the low. Now, how does that mean? Are we going to go to the upside? Well, to go to the upside, it needs to break this area over here. Some reason market, but it never does that. It's continuing to push towards the downside. Now you could have taken a sell from here, but the better sell would have been from this area over here, right? And obviously, the way I've refined the strategy now, I want to make something very clear. This is not the exact break and retest that I show in my mentorship. My break and retest, the way I refined it, is more simple. It's got a bigger, better risk to reward, and it's got a better win rate as well. This is why exactly, again, I want to show you, because the proof is in the pudding. You can go through my community Discord, right? And I showed proof, right? I showed proof that I'm passing these profit challenges in literally 2 days, 1 day, risking like 0.5%. Obviously, this is just shy away from 0.5%, but I'll pass it. There's so many videos on my YouTube channel where I'm passing. I mean, look at my equity curve for one of my accounts, and I'm just showing that start small. I made 7% on first day, but look at these equity curves. Small little tiny little losses, but boom, every time I win, it just got. The reason this equity curve is so small to the upside is simply because you need certain profitable trading day profits. Not, you can't just risk a 0.01 loss like FTMO and need the profit. So just start off with boom, straight into profit, right? And again, it's my edge. This amount of years I've put in, the way I've refined my break and retest, and at the end of the day, nothing feels more better, or nothing gives more confidence than having an edge that once you're in drawdown, and drawdown is totally normal. I was making that very clear. Nothing feels better than once you're in drawdown, your winning trade just catapults you into profit. So you can see over here there's a 1 to 6. You can see over here there's a 1 to clean 9, 1 to 5.